pages glitter, shall we see? Whoosh! We're walking through our history.
Veera and Vivan's wonder travels. The statue of Zeus at Olympia. Veera and Vivan were still buzzing from their trip to Egypt. The sugar cube pyramid they built sat on their desk next to the small stone one. A week later, another package from Patti arrived. This time, it held a small, carved piece of ivory, smooth and cool to the touch. The note attached had a new rhyme. Veera read it aloud. Where gods are honored and athletes compete, / a thundering king sits on a golden seat, / find the third wonder, a sculptor's great prize, / with a face full of wisdom and ivory eyes. Veera, thundering king? Like Zeus? Veera guessed. And athletes compete, the Olympics. As he spoke, the ivory carving in his hand began to glow with a soft, warm light. Here we go again, Anna. Vivan cheered. The light enveloped them, and their room dissolved into a swirl of shimmering gold and white. The air filled with the scent of olive trees and the distant sound of hammers chipping at stone. Thump! Their feet touched down on a floor, covered in wood shavings and stone dust. They were in a huge, sunlit workshop. Tools of every shape and size hung neatly on the walls. In the center of the room, giant wooden frames and pieces of carved ivory and gleaming gold were laid out. A man with a kind, focused face was carefully polishing a large ivory hand. A new stamp appeared on their clue note. A picture of a grand statue of a seated king. Map stamp, Statue of Zeus at Olympia. The man looked up and smiled. Welcome, travelers. I am Phidias. You've arrived just in time to see the final pieces of my life's work. He gestured to the colossal pieces around them. This will be the statue of Zeus, king of the gods. Vivan stared at the ivory hand, which was bigger than he was. It's so big, he exclaimed. Phidias explained how the statue was made. The inside was a giant wooden frame. The skin was made of precious ivory panels, softened and shaped to look like muscle and skin. The robes, beard, and hair were made of hammered gold plates. It takes many skilled hands working together to create something so grand, he said, pointing to other artisans carving, polishing, and hammering. Wonderwords. Veera and Design Lab make a clay masterpiece. You can be a sculptor like Phidias. Phidias led them from the workshop into the magnificent Temple of Zeus next door. Inside, on a giant throne, sat the finished statue. It was enormous, reaching almost to the high ceiling. The gold gleamed, and the ivory skin looked soft and real. Zeus held a statue of Nike, the goddess of victory, in one hand and a tall scepter in the other. His expression was calm and powerful. Vivan saw a small piece of scrap ivory on the floor that had been overlooked. He picked it up and handed it to a grateful apprentice. Veer. It's wonderful, Veera whispered, completely mesmerized. The statue wasn't just big. It felt important and full of peace. The ivory carving in Veera's pocket began to hum. It was time to go. They thanked Phidias for showing them his masterpiece. He smiled and said, "Art is a gift we share with the world. It reminds us of the beauty we can create." The golden white light swirled around them. When they were back in their room, a new rhyme was glowing on their note. Veer,